Hi foodies, we're making a breakfast that comes in Papo-Secos, the Portuguese buns that are fluffy, light, and getting their unique crisp when baked with stuffing. This is one of our favorite breakfasts simply because it sets the right energy and mood right from the beginning of the day. So we decided to share this breakfast idea with you. To get started, preheat the oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. One of the stuffing components, bacon, we will bake first. Insert the roasting rack into a baking tray and place bacon strips on it in one layer. You may be curious what to replace the Portuguese buns with. The answer is easy. Any other type of soft and fluffy bread buns like hamburger buns or bread rolls will work out too. On the contrary, breads like ciabatta, just because they are made out of much denser dough, will turn out hard to bite when baked with stuffing. Cut off the caps from the buns and take out the soft part of the bread piece by piece, or cut it out with a knife to create space for the stuffing. Then dice fresh tomatoes in small cubes and set aside. Okay, the oven is now all set and bacon goes in there for just 10 minutes. Baked bacon has 3 advantages. First, it gets crispier in the oven rather than fried in the pan. Second, the grease is dripping from the rack, leaving less on the bacon. And finally, your home doesn't smell like bacon all the way through. While the bacon is in the oven, cut a few square sheets of aluminum foil to wrap the buns. This will create a barrier between the bun and the hot oven, and the buns won't dry out. Wrap the buns in such a way so that foil creates walls of the same height as the bun is itself. Place all buns wrapped in the foil and the caps in the bacon tray and take out the bacon from the oven. Now stuff the buns with a layer of grated cheese, a layer of diced tomatoes, then 2-3 leaves of baby spinach, then bacon pieces. Gently crack 1 egg onto these layers, repeat for all the buns, and season with salt and ground black pepper. Lastly, sprinkle a bit more cheese onto the eggs and carefully take the bacon tray to the oven for 12 or 15 minutes or until the eggs harden to the desired consistency. How's such an idea for the breakfast? Let us know in the comments, and if you're going to give this breakfast a try, check out the ingredients and measurements in the description below. Take care and see you in the next video.